I want to talk to y'all about passive income. Why am I wearing Thunder Buddy pajamas? Because I can. And because I'm on the tail end of Flupocalypse 2019. So Flupocalypse 2019 hit me. And the only thing I had to worry about was healing myself. As an entrepreneur, having that financial stability is so super important. And if there was one thing that, if you ask me, what do you wish that you knew in the beginning that you know now, it'd be passive income and the power of passive income. Now, as a metal sculptor, if I'm not in my shop, then nothing gets done. And that's a pretty dangerous place to be, and that's where I think that people hear the term starving artist. I'm pretty sure that's where it was derived from. But what I've learned just through my adventures and journey as an entrepreneur is that passive income is just a phenomenal way to take care of you and your business. It allowed me, when Flupocalypse 2019 hit me last Sunday, and today's Thursday, I just have, today's the first day I've gotten up out of bed really. My fever broke last night and I'm all jacked up. Because the only thing that I had to worry about that whole time was healing myself, because I have passive income set up, taking care of me and making me money while I worry about healing myself. What I've done and what works for me, it may or may not work for you, and there's so many ways to do passive income, and I highly suggest that you go and Google that. But what works for me is this. What I have done is I have written and published 3 books. I have stocks that pay dividends, and I also have metal art welding kits. It's a product that I've designed, that I've done the work one time, and that's what passive income is. You do the work one time, and then you get paid again and again and again. Having a product. There's people that do real estate that is passive income, but if you go and buy real estate and then you're mowing the lawn and you're doing all the plumbing, it's not passive income. You have to actively earn it. If you buy real estate and you've got lawnmowers that go over and take care of that, you got a plumber that you've hired, and you've got a company that takes care of all the billing and everything else, that's set up as passive income. The idea with passive income is do the work up front, and then you sit back and passively collect it. It's just a gift as an entrepreneur. And even if you're not an entrepreneur, as anyone that works 9 to 5, you don't have security like you think you do. And I hate to burst your bubble on this one. You really don't have the security. Your business could not be doing a good job with their financials. You have no idea what's going on behind financial doors. You know, you could get sick and something could happen, you know what I'm saying, or the boss could get sick and shut down the company. There's no security. You know, a robot could take over your job. Like, this is not, you know, this is not George Jetson stuff. The future is now, right? So just look into passive income. It's something that's just such a gift to have, to know that when Flupocalypse 2019 hits you, that you can sit down and just focus on healing yourself and knowing that that money comes in, man, and take care of you. So Google that stuff, man. Take care of you. Take care of your family.